Meaning of 49th parallel.
49th parallel.
49th parallel.
49th parallel.
49th parallel. The 49th parallel is a line of latitude that forms the border between the United States and Canada. It was established by the Treaty of 1818 to resolve territorial disputes between the two countries. The result of this agreement was the creation of a peaceful and stable border between the U.S. and Canada, which has lasted for over 2 centuries. Today, the 49th parallel remains a symbol of the strong relationship between the two neighboring nations and their commitment to maintaining peace and stability in the region.